to Angelcafé. It's Sunday, it's September. We are in Trinidad, West Indies. Hope you are okay wherever you are. I am sending my love to you from my country, Trinidad. This morning we are just going to fry up some sausages with vegetables. So let's do it. The stove is lit and we are using some soybean oil, about 2 tablespoonfuls. I have here some Maggi tastemaker and some seasoning powder which contains parsley, chili flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, and something else that I can't remember, but it has no MSG. This one is healthy, it has no MSG. I have 5 tablespoons of ketchup here, 1 pack of hot dog sausage sliced. I have some pimento peppers, a small yellow Scotch bonnet pepper. I don't know if I'll be using all of it. This is 4 blades of shadow benny or bandania, as some of us call it in Trinidad. I have 1 large onion diced and 2 small carrots grated. I'm putting in the onion first. And to this onion, I am adding half of the hot pepper. Or let's go big. I'll add the whole thing because it's a small hot pepper. In Trinidad, we love to use peppers. That's our secret in Trinidad, peppers. Chili peppers, green peppers, bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, and my son's favorite, scorpion pepper. So we let this fry. For a few minutes. See, our onion is turning translucent, tiny and nice. So the sugars are just about to be released. And we will add our pimentos. Look at that, how lovely and colorful, rich with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals. To this, I am adding to our herbs, I'm adding the carrots. This smells delicious. A little hot and a little spicy, Trinidad style. And we let this fry for about 3 minutes. You want to add half teaspoon of salt, really no more than half. And to balance our salt, we want to add half teaspoon of sugar as well. To this, I am adding about 3/4 teaspoon of the taste maker and the seasoner, as well as our Caribbean blend of dried herbs. I'm going to give this a quick stir now. Now, if you want at this stage, you can add a half teaspoon of black pepper. Or any other spice that you like. You can add thyme to this, French thyme or Spanish thyme. You can add what we call fine thyme in Trinidad. You can add thyme, parsley, a bit of rosemary or basil if you have it. You can add any herb you like at this stage. I am adding the sausage now. Mix it in. I have not added any water to this. So this has now been frying for at least 3 to 4 minutes. We want our sausage to fry for at least 3 to 4 minutes as well. I am adding our ketchup, all of it. Now you can omit the ketchup if you are extremely health conscious or your diet is restricted. You can omit the ketchup and this will be fine and delicious as it is. Smells delicious. I wish you can taste this. Now you can eat this with bread, roti, bake, crackers, potatoes, rice, provisions. You can boil a piece of yam or boil some green bananas, and you can eat this with it. You can eat this with anything. Yes. Now this is almost finished, so I'm adding my shadow benny. I have not added any water to this. Now if you want gravy, you can add water at this stage. You can add about 2 pot spoonfuls of water, or if you want more gravy, because you've added the ketchup, your gravy will be thick. So you can add maybe half cup of water if you wanted to, but I am not adding any water to it. So this has been frying for approximately 8 minutes now, and it's finished. Our stove comes off. And you can pour it out into a dish. We are going to have this with some quicks. Easy, quick, simple, and delicious. Bye now. Just cooling down with some agua, some water. Very good for us. I'm going to put some here for our camera girl for her breakfast. And some for me. Want to get all those carrots and peppers in. Now you can eat this with a fork, a spoon, or this is finger food really for us. In Trinidad, we often eat it with our hands. Simply delicious. Quick, Easy meal, 8 minutes.